Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes. It is a must over this side. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to slice some beef strips. So here I have a nice slab of beef and we're going to just cut well. My husband is gonna cut those into some thinner slices first, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut the strips, right? So the thing with beef is that when it's thick, when you have like a big piece, a chunk, it takes longer to cook, right? And we're not doing that this time, right? We want nice thinly sliced strips. So go ahead and get your knife all sharpened, and it's gonna be easy to just slice through this. And I'm not talking about the sharpener where you use to sharpen your pencil, right? So here now, from that slice of beef, now we're gonna do the strips, and look at that Vibes fam. Yes, just nice and thinly sliced. Look at delicate, come through delicate body beef strip. You look good. So yes, get your sharp knife and you just run through it just like that. So you need it to be nice and thin, right? Just so it's easy. 1, 2, and it cooks just like that. So yeah, Vibes fam, look at it. Look at beef strips. Just beefily done. So burst it, and that is it. And here it is, Vibes fam. Look at it. I'm telling you, so easy. You just need a sharp knife and then you are good to go. And here we have it, Vibes fam. Here we have this nice bowl of beef strips, thinly sliced and just beautiful. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, say hello, and please subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can be alerted when I upload new recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and go and follow me over on Instagram. Thank you. God bless you.